We heard you say to your trainer, Jim Strickland, I can handle his punches, he's just too fast. Was that basically the story of the fight?
Yeah, he was too fast. I started back late, but, I mean, to go with a guy like Manny Pacquiao.
Laban ni Manny Pacquiao at David 2008 at ginanaw sa Mandalay Bay Hotel Casino sa Mandalay Bay Event Center. Umakyat pa ito ng isang division matapos isa-isahin patawin ang mga kilalang boksingero fighter na sina Marco Antonio Barrera, Eric Morales at Manuel Marquez. Ayon sa pamansang kamao, isa ito makasaysayang labang naman katarangan ng boxing. First Filipino Asian boxers to get a quota. Pero handa naman si Diaz sa ibibigay ng ating pambato at tiwala naman itong kaya niyang pigilan si Manny Pacman. I feel more to my advantage. Just because the simple fact that that's just been my style. Bagamat bihari ito sa laban ni Manny Pacquiao, hindi naman biro na boksingero si Diaz at kilala na hindi umatras sa laban. At nakailang bisis tinanghal sa National Golden Gloves Promotion, nagtala din ito ng 26 na sunod-sunod na panalo sa pro boxing career bago malasap ang kanyang kabiguan noong 2005 sa kapwa-Amerikano na si King Donald sa 8th round technical knockout. Kaya naman, itinuturing ito na banta sa ating pambat. The guy who has been going in different weight classes, beating up on people, and he's trying to do that at 135, and I think he's very much so different. I can prove it in my day. Balikan natin ang laban nating kababayan kontra sa pinakaunang US champion na si Diaz na magtatangka na pigilan makasaysayang laban ni Pacquiao. At alamin kung paano nga nakuha ni Pacman ang ika-4 na magkakaibang division matapos nitong wasakin ng hari at tigasin ang W. Sa lampag, naging mahirap na para kay Diaz ang laban dahil sa malalim na sugat sa ilalim bahagi ng kanyang mata. Natamo sa rampor sa patuloy na solidong suntok ni Pacquiao sa laban baka sa mukha na hindi talaga uubra sa bilis ng ating pambato. Bagamat aminan laban.
Between rounds toward the end of the fight, when we heard you say to your trainer, Jim Strickland, I can handle his punches, he's just too fast. Was that basically the story of the fight?
Yeah, he was too fast. Fucker was too fast. Sa ngayon, sa sanang matagumpay si Diaz sa Red States program sa isang